Hello mga ate, magandang araw. Kamusta ang lahat? Tara samahan niyo ako mag-unbox itong MIUI Mini Slow Juicer. Ito po ay previous namin sa
Wow.
aming pinurchase last time na MIUI Air Fryer. At i-check niyo na rin po yung ginawa naming video na pag-unbox and mga review at yung uses na ginawa namin sa MIUI Air Fryer. So in-unbox na natin at kasama ang kanyang manual, kompleto po ito at yung mismong unit na may ergonomic style na very convenient gamitin. Nakaka-excite na?
Look at that. Meron tayong slow juicer. Napakaganda, napaka-cute. Napakalaking savings nito kasi ang regular price nito will cost parang nasa 2,599, 2,600, around 2,600. So, ganyan. So, not bad having this kind of freebies, diba, from MIUI.
Can't wait to make healthy and refreshing detoxifying juices out from our MIUI Slow Juicer. Thank you for watching and follow for more!